Open your browser and log into CarePaRRVA portal. Enter your user ID and password, and upon login, you'll arrive at your dashboard. From the left menu, select PDC Submission to begin submitting your performance data to the PaRRVA data center. For security, PaRRVA requests re-authentication. Re-enter your login password to confirm your identity and continue. In the PDC Submission section, investment advisors and research analysts can upload performance data across multiple categories: portfolio, intraday, single stock, derivative, and strategy. For each category, PaRRVA provides a ready-to-download CSV template, so data can be entered in the prescribed format. For intermediaries with larger volumes, PaRRVA also supports API-based data submission, enabling seamless system-to-system integration. For trading members, the module supports algorithm input submissions. Select algorithm input, enter your required fields through the provided interface, and submit. The workflow remains structured, secure, and aligned with PaRRVA's submission standard. With PaRRVA's streamlined and standardized submission process, intermediaries can confidently submit recommendation data to the PaRRVA data center through a secure and compliant workflow.